Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of clean countries. As of my knowledge cutoff date in September 2021, the most clean countries list typically refers to rankings based on environmental performance and sustainability. These rankings are often compiled by organizations such as the Environmental Performance Index, (EPI), or the World Health Organization, (WHO), and are based on various criteria such as air quality, water quality, waste management, biodiversity conservation, and climate change mitigation. Some of the countries that have consistently ranked highly in terms of environmental cleanliness and sustainability include 1. Switzerland. Switzerland is often considered one of the cleanest countries in the world due to its strict environmental regulations, waste management practices, and commitment to renewable energy. Two. Sweden. Sweden is known for its strong environmental policies, including high recycling rates, efficient waste management systems, and investments in renewable energy. 3. Denmark. Denmark is known for its clean and well-managed cities, strong focus on renewable energy, and efforts to reduce carbon emissions. 4. Finland. Finland has made significant progress in environmental conservation, waste management, and sustainable forestry practices, which have contributed to its high rankings in clean country lists. 5. Norway. Norway is known for its strict environmental regulations, emphasis on renewable energy, and commitment to biodiversity conservation and sustainable fisheries. 6. Iceland. Iceland has a small population and abundant renewable energy resources, which contribute to its high environmental performance in terms of clean air, water, and energy. 7. Canada. Canada is recognized for its vast wilderness areas, strong environmental protections, and efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote sustainable practices. 8. New Zealand. New Zealand is known for its pristine landscapes, efforts to protect biodiversity, and investments in renewable energy. 9. Austria. Austria has implemented strict environmental regulations, including waste management practices and efforts to reduce carbon emissions, which have contributed to its high rankings in clean country lists. (10) Netherlands. The Netherlands is known for its innovative water management systems, renewable energy initiatives, and efforts to promote sustainable transportation options. It's important to note that rankings may vary depending on the criteria and methodology used by different organizations. Additionally, environmental performance can change over time as countries implement new policies and practices. The cleanest countries are often lauded for their commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship, serving as examples for other countries to follow in the global effort to address climate change and protect the planet.